Hello, Group Galaxy, video gaming, electronics, whatever. Here. Mickey Mouse isn't sitting there anymore. So there's the back of Mickey Mouse, there's the back of my TV, the bad tuner. I got a new TV from the neighbors. It's huge. You'll see that in an upcoming video. Had some issues with it. It's all good. She's looking for the remote. Happy someone donated a TV to my retro game collection. These two TVs, I'm in the middle right now, as you can see. I'm trying to swap tubes. This one, as you saw from a previous video, this screen's burned, widescreen burned, and it says video burned into the screen, and the color red's dying. This TV, channel tuning is screwed. This TV doesn't have video input, so yeah, you know what I mean? So channel 3, channel 4 RF is even screwed up. You gotta do a little messing to get to work. So basically you gotta put the NES on channel 3, turn it on, screen's a mess. Put TV on channel 4, switch the NES to 4, and then it comes in crystal clear. If you switch channels and then go back to 4, turn on and off, it scrambles again. So, you'll see videos of that, examples of that too on the channel, and upcoming. But yeah, so I am switching tubes, like I said. Bad tube, bad board, good board. 2 video inputs. This is Mickey Mouse right here. The speakers are right there. And by luck, it looks like the tubes almost match. And the plugs for the degaussing cables, match those are almost standard. And it looks like the plugs on the back of the picture tubes might match. I don't know. I'm still doing some research. Okay, so bye for now, and thanks for watching.
That's why I came to you.